This is Bugarama, a border town in the Rusizi district of southwestern Rwanda, within a few kilometers of both Burundi and the DRC. This frontier town is home to some 290,000 people. It is also the home of Cimerwa, Rwanda's only integrated cement producer. Established over 30 years ago, the existing cement production plant in the town represents a partnership between the company and the Rwandan government and PPC Limited, Southern Africa's largest and most experienced cement producer, who became the majority shareholder in the company in 2012. The plant is the region's biggest employer, and as such, Cimerwa is committed to helping the Rwandan government achieve their infrastructure development goals for the region by providing cement for all manner of construction projects, as well as making a sustainable contribution to socio-economic development through strong partnerships with leaders and members of the local community via numerous social initiatives and projects. In this, Cimerwa are proudly embracing the position of providing strength beyond the bag that the company holds so dear. And in the second half of 2015, Cimerwa will give the local region and Rwanda at large a further boost when their brand new dry process production plant opens for business on the site of the old plant. This new plant, with a capacity to turn out 6 times the tonnage of cement the old plant was capable of, is now ready to go. All civil and mechanical works have been completed, and it is currently undergoing thorough testing in line with global best practice prior to commencing production.
We are currently at the end of our construction. We're actually testing our plant to get ourselves to be able to commission or start running. Somewhere around June, we'll be running the kiln, then we'll also be running the cement mills in July.
The new plant can output up to 600,000 tons per annum at full capacity, easily achieving all regional demand for cement and furthermore providing Rwanda's total overall domestic cement requirement of 500,000 tons per annum. This means that up to 100,000 tons of cement per annum can be earmarked for high-yield foreign currency export to neighboring countries.
When you go around and see the amount of construction going on, it's very clear that this country is demanding a huge amount of cement. When you see how the volume of imports of cement in Rwanda has been growing, now we're spending more than $60 million on an annual basis to import cement from the region. And we are extremely excited by this partnership with PPC to rebuild this cement factory in Rwanda, which based on the expected capacity when the company will be operating at full capacity, Rwanda will be completely self-sustained in the cement and even have some surplus to export in neighboring countries like Burundi and DRC.
To further emphasize Minister Kanimba's point, current statistics from the Rwanda Development Board puts total housing needs in Kigali alone at over 458,000 dwelling units. Thus, the requirement for a locally made world-class product is of paramount importance. In preparation for the commissioning of the new plant, on May 7, 2015, Cimerwa's new corporate identity and product packaging was launched at a glamorous event held in Kigali. The distinctive new packaging represents a perfect synergy between Cimerwa and PPC Limited and is set to be instantly recognizable in the marketplace. These developments take PPC Limited another step closer to achieving its strategic goal of 40% revenue generated outside South Africa.
Cimerwa was a local company, but now we want to go regional, so it is becoming international. So with the capacity we had before, we couldn't do it alone. Now when we combined the efforts with PPC, Now, this is a result of what we are achieving, especially in terms of what the clients are expecting and also what the market is demanding.
Cimerwa is making great strides to achieving its vision of becoming the leading producer and supplier of quality cement in the African Great Lakes region while maximizing shareholder value. It is this commitment to excellence, efficiency, and an eye on progress by Cimerwa and PPC Limited in partnership with the national government of Rwanda that will be a driving force behind growth in the region now and into the future.